Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Downtown Kingston is the historic and cultural center of the city, located where the Cataraqui River meets Lake Ontario and the St. Lawrence River system. The area is known for its limestone buildings, waterfront parks, restaurants, hotels, and busy public spaces. Many people refer to Kingston as the Limestone City because of the large number of 19th century buildings made from local limestone. Downtown is also one of the oldest urban areas in Ontario, with streets and buildings that reflect more than 3 centuries of history. Today, the Greater Kingston area has a population of around 140,000 people, and the downtown core remains one of the city's busiest districts for tourism, business, and entertainment. By the early 19th century, Kingston had become one of the most significant communities in Upper Canada. The downtown waterfront played an important role in shipping, military defense, and trade. During the War of 1812, Kingston served as a major British naval base because of its location near the entrance to the Rideau Canal and the Great Lakes. Fortifications around the city were strengthened, and Kingston's harbor became one of the most protected military ports in British North America. Many of the stone buildings seen downtown today date back to this period of rapid growth and military importance. Walking through downtown Kingston today, visitors can see a mix of historic architecture and modern urban life. Market Square remains a central gathering place and has been used continuously for public markets and community events since the 19th century. In the warmer months, the square hosts festivals, concerts, and outdoor patios, while winter often brings skating and seasonal activities. Nearby streets are lined with independent shops, cafes, bookstores, and restaurants, giving the downtown core a lively atmosphere throughout the year. The waterfront is another major feature of downtown Kingston. Confederation Basin, Marina, and the surrounding parks provide views of Lake Ontario and the nearby Thousand Islands region. Ferries and tour boats regularly depart from the harbor during the tourist season, connecting visitors with local islands and historic sites. The downtown shoreline also includes walking paths and green spaces that attract both residents and travelers. On summer evenings, the area often fills with people enjoying the lakefront scenery and cooler air coming off the water. Kingston is one of Ontario's oldest cities and has a long and important history in Canada. Located where Lake Ontario meets the St. Lawrence River, Kingston became a strategic settlement because of its position between the Great Lakes and the Atlantic trade routes. Indigenous peoples lived and traveled through this area for thousands of years before European settlement began. French traders and explorers arrived during the 17th century, followed later by British military and colonial development. In 1841, Kingston briefly served as the first capital of the province of Canada. Although the capital later moved to other cities, Kingston remained politically and militarily important. Fort Henry, located on a hill overlooking the water, was built to defend the region during tensions between Britain and the United States. Today, Fort Henry is one of Kingston's best-known historic sites and a major tourist attraction recognized as part of a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Kingston is often called the Limestone City because many of its historic buildings were constructed using local limestone. Throughout downtown Kingston, visitors can still see 19th century architecture in churches, government buildings, homes, and commercial streets. Landmarks such as Kingston City Hall and the Waterfront District reflect the city's long connection to politics, trade, and military history. This historic character gives Kingston a different atmosphere compared with many newer Ontario cities. The city has a population of more than 130,000 people, with the larger metropolitan area continuing to grow steadily. Kingston's economy is supported by education, healthcare, government services, tourism, and military activity. Canadian Forces Base Kingston remains one of the city's major employers, while Queen's University contributes significantly to research, culture, and local business activity. The city also attracts visitors year-round because of its waterfront location and historical attractions. Tourism plays an important role in Kingston's identity. During the warmer months, visitors explore the downtown waterfront, take cruises through the Thousand Islands region, and attend festivals and cultural events throughout the city. Kingston is also known for its restaurants, public markets, museums, and live music scene. The city combines a relaxed, small city atmosphere with many of the cultural features usually associated with larger urban centers. Kingston's location on Lake Ontario has shaped daily life here for centuries. Harbors, marinas, and waterfront parks remain central parts of the community. In the summer, boating and sailing are especially popular, while winter brings a quieter pace to the shoreline. Across every season, Kingston balances its military history, educational institutions, natural landscapes, and growing suburban neighborhoods, creating a city that continues to evolve while remaining closely connected to its past.
Thanks for watching!